and stuff like me, just look at all those accessories. You've got dry bags, you've got pump bags as well. Bags you use as dry bags and turn around and can use to pump to inflate mats. You don't need any electrics or anything with that at all. Now there's lots of accessories out and about. There's a new pump. Now you might have seen one of my videos on a really small lightweight pump. This is a new one from Robens, and now obviously it's not small and lightweight as some of the others, but this one has got a solar panel, so you can leave it outside. It takes about all day to charge, but you can leave it outside in the sun and it will charge up. And it doesn't need all that juice for running as a pump, which can also deflate as well as inflate. It's obviously got a light on there, as you can see on the bottom, but you can also use it as a USB power bank to charge other things like your phone or other accessories. Now, talking of USB and chargeable items are things like this. Now this, I love this. This is a little hanging lantern. I think it'll go well, great in the tents like the Settler. You've got, this is the Suilven, I think. If I pronounce this right, I always get the names wrong, don't I? This is a lovely little lantern. Let's turn it off so you can see it better. It looks really retro looking here, some retro looking looks, but it's obviously LED. So that simply can hang in your tent, like so. And then it's got its bigger brother, the Munros, that there, and that's got, let's turn that on as well. And that gives a nice light out as well. So this one's you can stand quite easily. The other one you can stand as well if you wanted to, be really designed for hanging. Some of the enamelware that you've got, this is double coated enamelware, so if you like traditional camping gear with enamelware, here it is with the new Robens logo in the mountains. That does look really smart, doesn't it? Really nice colour with it as well. So that's double coated as well, which makes the weight a little bit heavy. Again, I don't just think you'd be using these for backpacking, if you want more traditional cooking. And then you've got a number of stoves, cast iron and Dutch ovens, including a massive Dutch oven for group cooking there. Even a cast iron sort of baking tin as well for cooking over the fire. Other interesting things you've got here, Bushcraft DIY Tripod. It's basically a collection, so basically you can turn sticks into a tripod. Again, really, if you were out in the wilderness, as they can do out here in Denmark and Scandinavia. So yeah, lots of nice extension, lots of nice accessories here. And you've got some more sets here, such as this set here, the Robens Sierra steel mill set. So again, if you want something rugged, these are steel on there, complete with cutlery, or you can buy cutlery separate. And then you've got all the cook sets that are lightweight. You've got here, I love this little mug down here, with the folding handle, very lightweight material. So if you want something that is metal, very hard, strong, but lightweight, this is perfect little thing here. And then a blingy one, really shiny one. Little folding table, packs down small, and then you've got the little tiny twig stoves here to cook things on with twigs. The windshields and the various other types of stoves that they've got here, little tiny stoves that fold really small. This one here, the little tiny Midge, I think it's called, folds up really small. So let me just show you that. Okay, so you have your stove as normal, you've got the pot stands here, fold out. I'm trying to do this whilst filming and I'm getting myself in the way. So there you are, you've got your pot stands there. This screws on top of your gas canister and you can open and close the valve here, this metal attachment. But you can then just simply fold all of these back down again. That can fold up, and look at that. Whoops! That's how small it is. Look at that. There, little tiny folds away, and really small. So really nice little set there, and you've got this perfect little pot. You can come with it in the Fire Midge cook set. Again, ruggedized, very sturdy, handles fold away, very lightweight. Let's see what the weight of that pack size is. 215 grams. There's your pack, 215 grams. Fire Midge cook set.